A factory reset is a powerful troubleshooting tool that restores your Sceptre monitor to its original manufacturer settings. Understanding when and why to use this feature can solve many common display problems. Factory reset completely restores your Sceptre monitor to its original state, erasing all customizations you've made since purchase. The reset process clears numerous settings including brightness, contrast, color temperature, and picture modes. Let's look at the typical settings menu that gets restored. All these customized settings return to their factory defaults. This includes display adjustments, input configurations, audio preferences, and even menu language settings. You should perform a factory reset when experiencing display problems like flickering, color distortion, or menu navigation issues. Factory reset is also recommended before selling your monitor or when troubleshooting firmware-related issues. As of 2025, Sceptre maintains consistent menu structures across their monitor models, making the reset process similar regardless of which Sceptre monitor you own. This consistency makes it easier to troubleshoot and reset any Sceptre monitor using similar steps and menu navigation. The most common way to reset your Sceptre monitor is through the on-screen display menu. This method works for most Sceptre monitor models. First, locate the menu button on your monitor. This is typically found on the back or side of the monitor, often marked with an OSD label. Navigate through the menu using the arrow buttons to find the Setup, System, or Options section. The exact name varies by model, but look for settings-related menu items. Look for options labeled Factory Reset, Reset All, or Default Settings. Select this option and confirm when prompted. The monitor will restart automatically. If your monitor's menu is not accessible, you can use the button combination method. This works when the on-screen display is not functioning properly. First, power off your monitor completely. Then simultaneously press and hold both the menu button and power button for 10 to 15 seconds. For newer Sceptre monitors from 2024 and 2025, there's often a quick reset feature. Simply hold the menu button for 10 seconds while the monitor is powered on. These three methods cover all Sceptre monitor models. Try the OSD menu method first, then use button combinations if needed. The quick reset works best for the latest models.